Hi, I'm Rebecca Bohosky, and this is my school board presentation. Before I begin, I'd like to tell you a little bit about me. I'm passionate about incorporating technology into the classroom. I have over 10 years' experience as a special education teacher. I have seen how powerful innovative technology enhances student learning experiences. I grew up in Annapolis, Maryland, and I'm an avid sailor. As primitive as sailing may seem, technology is on my sailboat. This is a true passion of mine. And using technology on the sailboat only enhances my love for sailing. So incorporating it into the classroom is a necessity for future readiness and growth for all of our students. Technology involves and requires certain skills and experience. These skills and experiences kind of fall into three categories: accessibility, digital citizenship, and digital literacy. Worcester County's technology plans currently include providing devices to 9th and 10th grade students. Teachers at all schools and grade levels have digital devices, and our digital infrastructure has been upgraded to support a higher bandwidth and network to accommodate all of these devices. So currently, Worcester County is in the accessibility bubble. We are currently getting technology accessible to our staff and students. Providing this technology to all of our staff and students is a huge success. And Worcester County Public Schools has a long and proud tradition of excellence. Students and teachers are proud to work and learn within our school system. Our school system is composed of 5 elementary schools, an intermediate school, 3 middle schools, a special school, 3 high schools, and a technical high school. So the county is responsible for 6,663 students. In comparison, or in parallel to our technology plan, is the county's strategic direction is focused on preparing these students for their future in the global economy. So how do we do that, or make them correlate? Well, we look at where we are, where we want to go, and the problems that we're already encountering. Well, Worcester County is in the beginning phases of the digital conversion. Technology supports and devices differ from classroom to classroom and differ from school to school. So students do not have adequate access. Inside many schools, technology is lagging. The learning curve is not only with the instructional practices, but within the devices and access. When technology devices are provided, there is also very limited training. So access for staff and students are not consistent. And we know our teachers need to be creative with incorporating technology into the classroom. So we know providing devices for all, providing immediate and ongoing tech supports and professional development will help support this digital conversion as well as our strategic plan goals. Where do we start? We start with professional development. Professional development needs to be focused and continuous. The implementation plan for professional development includes initial teacher development on devices, best practices in instruction, as well as leveled professional development to support all staff and faculty. This idea is derived from when teachers and staff are comfortable with content and instructional materials, they are able to use them with success in the classroom. That old saying, if you don't use it, you lose it. Well, when you provide teachers with technology without providing them the professional development and the instructional practices that go along with it, they're probably not going to use it. So, surveys and evaluations will be used before and after professional development to personalize that implementation, to give them their own success within their learning. This survey and evaluation will also be able to provide us what their current level of knowledge is. Teachers and staff will have the ability to select their professional development based on their interests and level of familiarity. So after the basic required professional development over the device and implementations inside the classroom, teachers and staff are going to be able to pick which one professional development is best suits them and the practice that they would like to put into place in their classroom. Microsoft 365 will also be able to be used as a collaboration tool to share resources among grade level teachers and content supervisors to be able to support the rollout. Let's look a little closer at this leveled professional learning. Well, level 1 is the must-do. Everyone needs the basic device training. After this device training, which are the iPads, we can do a check-off sheet on and make sure that everyone has that adequate amount of basic device training. Level 2 is best practices, instructional uses, promoting digital citizenship, project-based learning, and incorporating it as assessment. Then, level 3, after they've mastered that device, mastered that instructional practices, they can go back to their classroom, make it, take it, and then collaborate with each other to ease and to support the better and more use of technology inside of that classroom. Professional development should also be designed to focus on teaching the adult and learning within their current level of knowledge. It should be purposeful for them and goal-driven, where they can set goals on what they want to accomplish within their classroom, what they feel comfortable with, and then being able to execute that with success. Professional development must also be creative and allow for these make and take opportunities to support the immediate use within the classroom. Professional development will be offered over a 5-day workshop plan, and supports through this professional development will last the course of the year. For this to all then be reevaluated to see where we are, where the problems are, and where we want to go to create and modify to make the plan better, to reach even higher success for our students.